Good afternoon, good evening. Happy 4th of July. For all you people that recognize that today is Independence Day here in the United States. Jesse,
Yeah, my dad's son.
the oldest one?
No, I'm the youngest one.
Oh, the youngest one. Oh.
Yeah. Hey, come on in.
I knew your brother. I don't remember you. I remember your dad because your dad and I worked at the sheriff's office.
Yeah, I hid myself from everybody, so.
You hid yourself from everybody? Hello.
It's my girlfriend.
How you doing?
It's my sister.
¿Cómo estás?
No.
Hello.
Eleanor. Hi, I'm
Hola.
calling Cruz.
You work with dad at the shop.
Yeah, that's what Raul was telling me.
Yeah, he was my captain, but we did a lot of work together.
Beer or water?
No, just water. Yeah, I don't drink beer. That water's fine.
That makes sense. Is the correct answer Harry Styles? Yes, you got it. That was a good shot. You got $25,000. One more step down the board, which puts you only 2 correct answers away from not only banking that cash, but going on to the.
You're not on sale anymore?
No, for the Dr. Pepper first.
Huh?
For the Dr. Pepper first.
Oh, ahorita hablamos.
If you find a Dr. Pepper, there's 3 for 11.
All right, ¿qué pasó?
If you can find a Dr. Pepper, it's 3 for 11.
Oh, if I can find a Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, because I don't know.
Oh, so the Cokes don't work then?
No, I just found like a Dr. Pepper.
No, I'll wait. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll wait.
Okay. I don't know what has
I did fill up the Coke machine, so that's what counts. 2 bags of ice.
We don't have it.
Don't forget.
Yeah.
No ice.
Yeah. This is
Oh my gosh.
one of the last.
It's the end of the world. That's it. We're all gonna die.
Hopefully not. I mean, I still want to live a couple more years.
Mm.
Sucks to be me right now. Like somebody was knocking at the door.
Oh, you closing already?
No,
Oh,
no plan to 11.
to 11.
Yeah, también estoy como que like, definitely think
Ya.
about.
Ya lo cambiaron a 11.
Yeah, I'm like, definitely I should think about getting another job.
You're gonna start getting armed robberies because ya para esa hora people just are out just to see if they can get a quick buck.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll just be like, take it. Everything that's there, put yours.
Well, you got my number,
Gotcha.
and I'm still a cop. So you suspect somebody in here might just send me a text and put 911, and I'm close by. So
Ya está.
ya está.
Take care.
Take care, carnal. All right, I gotta buy some ice somewhere quickly before the store in front closes. Yeah, these 2 bags of ice. Oh my gosh. So much traffic, my gosh. There's people doing out in the street right now. Oh my gosh. This is 4th of July night in the eastern part of Lago Vista, Texas. And damn, I just got in the way. Just got in the way of a truck. He didn't honk at me, so I guess it was safe. I'm gonna go through a drive-thru and pick up some ice because I do need some ice. Damn. Damn it, boy.
Hello.
Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bags of ice.
That's it?
Yeah. Thank you. Hi. I'm sorry.